Actually, what is design thinking? So, to make this concept really simple, I would wish that you remember three circles. The first circle we are talking about is a circle of human need. What is a human need? And when we talk about human needs, you must have observed some of the products that we have used that have come from organization, like if we take Apple. Who knew that we needed an iPad? Who knew that we needed an iPhone? But they did a detailed study and understood the latent human need. When I say latent, we are talking about the hidden needs, which the users may not know currently. But by doing that study, we try to go in depth and understand what do people need. What are the kind of products and services or solutions will satisfy them. So, the design thinking, the first circle starts with understanding human need, and therefore, sometimes design thinking is also called human centric design. So, it starts with the human need. The second circle we iterate against is technology or a technique. When I say technology, as I shared before, it should not be misunderstood as an IT. Technology, when I am talking about, is also a technique. It could be an operational technique in terms of let us say augmented and virtual reality in smart factories. If we implement that sitting at one place, we are solving a problem of a factory which is possibly miles away. Therefore, how do we use technique or a technology in solving the human problem? So, that is the second circle, that is there a feasible technology available? Let us look at the third circle of design thinking, and the third circle talks about the business viability. We have looked at the human need, we found a technology or a technique that can address the human need, and now we are iterating it against the business viability. Whatever we have to offer, is it viable? Is it scalable? Is it sustainable? And what is the scale, scope and speed to which this whole idea can be implemented? So, if we define now design thinking, we have these three circles that intersect each other or iterate with each other: the human need, the technological or technical feasibility, and the business viability.